Have you ever wondered what would happen if two of the most extreme objects in the universe collided? I'm talking about neutron stars, these dense, dead stars left behind after a supernova explosion. Imagine two of these stellar titans, each packing more mass than our sun into a space no larger than a city, racing towards each other in the final moments before impact. This isn't just science fiction. Neutron star collisions have been observed, and the results are beyond extraordinary. Today we're diving into what would happen if two neutron stars collided, and the cosmic fireworks that would ensue. Neutron stars are one of the universe's ultimate extremes. Formed in the violent death of massive stars, they're so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons. When two neutron stars are on a collision course, they start to spiral towards each other, pulled by their overwhelming gravitational forces. This isn't a quick process. They can spiral closer for millions of years. But as they approach, things heat up. Literally. They speed up, releasing incredible amounts of gravitational waves that ripple across the universe. Scientists on Earth can actually detect these ripples, giving us a way to listen to the last moments of these stars' lives. In the final seconds before collision, the neutron stars are traveling at nearly a third of the speed of light, orbiting each other in a dizzying dance. And then, in a single cataclysmic moment, they collide. When two neutron stars smash into each other, they unleash an amount of energy equivalent to hundreds of millions of nuclear bombs. This impact creates what's known as a kilonova, a massive explosion that's so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy for a few days. For anyone watching from a nearby planet, or even far across the universe, the sky would light up in a spectacular burst of blue and red like cosmic fireworks in the dark canvas of space. But it's not just the light that's remarkable. Neutron star collisions are responsible for creating many of the heaviest elements in the universe, including gold and platinum. When these stars collide, the explosion generates immense temperatures and neutron-rich environments that forge heavy elements and fling them into space. The gold in your jewelry or the platinum in electronics may very well have been created in one of these incredible cosmic events billions of years ago. These collisions are like cosmic forges, creating the raw materials that go on to form planets, stars, and even life. And what's left behind after a neutron star collision? That depends. If the combined mass of the neutron stars is just right, they may form a larger neutron star, but in most cases, the collision results in the birth of a black hole. Imagine that. Two dead stars coming together to create an entirely new entity, so powerful that not even light can escape it. In a way, it's like the universe recycling itself, turning death into new forms of existence and energy. The probability of two neutron stars colliding is rare, but not impossible. Scientists have detected these events with instruments like LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. In fact, in 2017, scientists recorded a neutron star collision for the first time, capturing both the gravitational waves and the light from the event. It was an unprecedented discovery, allowing scientists to witness the birth of a kilonova and the creation of heavy elements firsthand. These detections have opened a whole new era of astronomy, allowing us to observe the universe not only through light, but through the ripples in space-time itself. So what would happen if two neutron stars collided? An explosion so powerful it lights up the universe, the creation of new elements, and the potential birth of a black hole. These collisions remind us of the incredible forces at work in the cosmos and the endless cycles of destruction and creation that shape everything around us. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, be sure to like, subscribe, and join us as we explore more awe-inspiring wonders. Because out there in the depths of space, events like this are happening every day, shaping the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand.